Why, hello everybody, Lego Dude 11 here, and today is another Lego the Jurassic World video game video for you guys, and today happens to be the next part in our story walkthrough. So today is the next level for Jurassic Park 3. So we're just gonna need to hop in here, and oh, it looks like we're gonna need a fix with not you. We're gonna need Paul here. Let's use Paul and fix this up. Come on, Paul. I hope we're gonna need Alan first. Alright, let's use Alan here. And what is he trying to do? Attack Paul? Okay. Take out your long, sharp tool there. I don't know what to call that. Your tooth, I guess. Or dinosaur, yeah, dinosaur tooth or whatever, claw. I would say claw. I didn't think of that. Dinosaur claw. And fix that up. Bam, got one of those. Okay, now I can use Amanda, because she's our only agile character here, or just the agile character. Why can't you jump properly? Thank you. Turn this, Amanda. Let's turn this crank it around, and there we go. All right, come on, and let's go. Whoa, I totally missed that. Oh my gosh, like I went past it. Okay, here's the birdcage, our scene for this level. There it is. So the crest on its head helps Spinosaurus. Oh my god, I don't even know anymore. Alright, here we go. Here's our first cutscene for the last level of Jurassic Park 3. Oh god, no. It's like, hello.
I took them on an impulse. I thought they'd be worth a fortune. Enough to fund the dig site another 10 more years.
What if they catch us with them? What if they catch us without them?
There's a boat at the bottom, just downriver. Try and make it to the coast, at least.
What is it?
It's a birdcage.
Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? I mean, I've seen the movies, but that's just like so stupid. Like the idea, whether or not like, I mean, I'm sorry, I can't deal with the fact that, oh, there's the amber brick or the dino DNA, but we don't want to get that now. All right, so the fact that he just runs away, oh my gosh, what? How? I can't. How? Okay, apparently I'm not supposed to go this way, so let me go this way then. Let me go this way, Alan. That's different. I must have to go this way. Alright, let's put that down. Oh, okay, so that's a given. Because I thought I had to go that way, but that was kind of weird. Oh, hey, we have to use the parachute. Let's use... Who has... Wait. Are you saying we can't progress? Oh, wait. I thought Lincoln, or I thought I'm sorry. This looks like a character called Lincoln. Let's use Billy and parachute over there. There we go. Wait, is this gonna be like a bridge? Yes, please tell me. Okay, nice. So we can. That's not a bridge at all. Is that gonna like fall? Aha. Okay, yeah. I'm like, please tell me it's gonna do that, or else it's not gonna work. Oh, we need Amanda. Amanda. Really? That was not helpful, but it was. Alright, let's do this. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. So this is like one of my favorite parts of this movie. To be honest, like the pterodactyl fight scene. Just because it has pterodactyls and it's the only part of the movie.
Just a second.
Just like the only part of the movie that's like good, like kind of like new, like, you know, like the new parts, like there's no pterodactyls in the first two movies, so it's kind of like cool to see this part. At the same time, it's like the least favorite movie of the series, so but it's what I was gonna say, like in the first one you have like the big T-Rex scene, like nobody has seen that before. And then in the second one, you get the big, what do you get? I forget what it is. What do we need to do here? We need, to build up something? What the heck? Oh, okay, apparently Alan can do this. What are we doing? Oh, we're cutting the rope, I see. In the second one, what is the, oh, the big RV scene, which is spectacular, which I think is the same animal, or not, the same dinosaur, that's the T-Rex. But I forget. Alright, we need Amanda. Wait, does Amanda have a watering can? No, this might be a mini kit. So we're gonna need Paul to grapple. This might be a mini kit as well. Oh, wait. Yeah, we're gonna need Nick there. This might be, I don't know. I'm not gonna worry about that. So all I'm gonna worry about is grappling at the moment. Alright. So yeah, I have to say this was my favorite scene in the whole movie, to be honest. So because it's the epic fight scene of the movie. Except there was another epic fight scene, but to be honest, I forget what that was. And no. Oh, that was close. And I forget what it was of the third movie. What was it of the third movie? Because they had this fight scene with the pterodactyls, and they had the other fight scene with something else. I can't use you. Who do I need? Alright, we're gonna have to build that up. I can't build, thank you. Like, that was kind of difficult. Alrighty. Let's push this down. Once, twice. Let me go grab this stud, I'm sorry. On these studs too. This will be a missile. Come on, Paul, you can do this. I don't think there was another fight scene in this movie, if I recall. Oh, do we really have to climb up this wall? Oh, wow.
Hang on.
Billy can climb up this wall.
I'll find a way up for you as well.
Is there another cutscene? So wait, what am I supposed to do? Oh, there's a parachute area. I didn't see that there. Sorry about that. Alright, got a parachute, and then push that down.
Come on.
And I don't know. Is there something else to do over here? That's gonna be for Alan, so let's build this up. Whatever it may be. Oh, trampoline. Gotcha. No, oh wait, Jose. Oh my gosh, that was so stupid. No. Alright, there we go. Made it up here. Now let's slice this down, or cut it down. I guess you don't slice vines. You just kind of cut them with the tooth claw. Tooth claw? Wow, that was great. We used Alan's tooth claw to cut those vines over there. Did you see that? I don't know if you did, but we used his tooth claw. Yeah, that's what we did. No, we had to use his claw. No way, Jose. I wanted to get those studs, and I did. So that's gonna probably be a mini kit. Yeah, I'm assuming, because it's like 1 out of 3 or 1 out of 5 or something. I mean, there's lots of stuff to smash, but I'm not really interested in studs. I mean, there's lots of stuff. And really, this is depressing. Or not helpful. Oh, God. Stupid. Stupid fly. Stupid fly that keeps landing on me. I'm like on my couch here. It's in my stupid basement. It keeps flying around me. I know this has nothing to do with the video, but it's legit annoying me. It's past. No! Oh! Oh my god. I wanted to stop beating that up, and then I saw it. Okay, how do I do this? Do I have to beat this up and build it? So what am I supposed to do? Is this target like there's nobody that can throw anything. So what is the point of this? Oh, what is this? Seriously? Are you seriously? Seriously? This is not helpful. Oh wait, maybe we got something back here that I missed. Yeah, maybe this has something to do with it. Aha. These. Something. Beep. Something. Oh wait, am I missing something here? Aha. Victory. Be successful. I'm not sure if that was the correct English. I just said like, victory, be successful. I'm not really sure if that made sense, but Those are two positive words there. All right, B. Parachute times. Okay, I don't know if we're gonna do this right. Really? Are you serious? How? I parachuted from this area. Parachute. How? Wait, whoa. Oh, I'm totally not. I still don't know. Okay, is there some... Oh, wait, I've got it.
Billy, stop! Don't, Billy!
I figured it out.
Hey, I can almost see my house from here.
We gotta get Billy. Okay, this is cool. This is cool. Wow. This is fun to get a parachute like this from the movie. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. This is so cool. Like, I'm not a huge... No! Billy, no. Oh, I would have saved that for later. Like, I saw that coming. I legit did not want to get that first mini kit that I did get. Okay, get that push done. He's saving Eric, can't you see? It's a dinosaur parachute. That's nice. Nice, what's that called? Easter egg there. Alright, you saved Eric. Why do you keep yelling stop, Alan? Look at him. He saved this kid. This kid. Oh, are you serious? No way! Oh. Oh, great. Now you're all gonna be dead. Well, yeah, you're gonna drown, so... Oh, look at that. Fly away. Be free. No, don't be free because of, you know. You got dinosaurs on your path. Oh my gosh. Oh, hey, you... Oh, hey, look, there's the phone. Oh, stay alive. He's still alive. He's alive. No, not that kind of alive. He's not Frankenstein's monster, but the dinosaur kind of is. He's a monster, alright. Oh, this fly's still here. I want to kill it. Legit, it's like... I'm sorry. Still talking about this fly, but it's annoying. It's been here. It's been in my house for the past, like, 3 days. And it stays, like, in my basement. Like, it knows. Like, apparently it just stays down there. Like, down in here. Like, down in my basement. Why? Okay. We got this area. Gotta throw that over there. Use Alan. Dig up with our shovel. So our Spinosaurus, I believe that's a Spinosaurus, has 3 lives. So basically, this is still kind of my favorite part of the movie, to be honest. This whole end part here, even though it's a different type of dinosaur they're fighting here. They already had a fight with a Spinosaurus, didn't they? Like the second movie or something. Okay, those are matches, so we're gonna have to build this up. But I do want to see. Okay, this is a cannon. Oh, 2 fire cannons. So we did do pretty well with studs, so I won't lie. We get like we're over halfway, so that's pretty good. All right, nicely done there, Alan. Look at that. Look at those studies. Oh, over there. Oh my gosh. Got that. We've got all those plants. Oh, all right. That's nice. So now my confusion is okay. So there's a save and exit point, huh? Fire. Oh, purple. What is this? These are matches. See, what I don't understand. Why are the matches purple? Like, is that just like something to do with the color effect, like the rainbow, the spectrum, color spectrum or something? Because I believe it is, but I can't remember. I thought, because see, those flames are yellow or like orange, but yet. Right. Oh, okay. We have to go to Paul, who's like about to die in the fire. Wow, what are we supposed to do? Oh, just jump. Perfect. I thought it was inside the fire over there. Oh, I drowned. Whoopsie. Whoopsie. That was not what I wanted to do. I wanted to jump from there. Jump from there. Perfect. Now, because I was like, why are those flame? Why the matches are purple? I think it's something to do with the tips of them. When you light them up, they are purple because of like the top of the. Oh God, his mouth was like right there. He could have just eaten Paul right there. But yeah, I think that's what it is. So now we're doing even better with our stud count. Can't go over there. It has to be a mini kit thing. All right, let's grapple here. Oh, okay. Go, go, go. Don't waste any time, Paul. Alright, looks like we got him once. Alright, we lost his life. Or we lost he lost a life. I'm assuming it's he, right? I can't remember. Alright, I'm assuming now, since we lost, made the dinosaur lose a life, we have to kill it once more? Wait. Oh, there we go. I see. We just have to keep putting the flame. What are we supposed to? Putting fire, right?
Just need a few more barrels.
Oh, I see. Oh, I lost another life. So now we just need to. Ow, ow. That was unexpected. Did not. No, you're gonna come here to attack me. Wait, what are those? What the heck? I just randomly walked over those green things. It looked like frogs, and they gave me studs. So that was kind of nice. Oh wait, why are you not attacking me, dinosaur that's just standing there? His brain was too small. Honestly, I think all these guys are brainless. Like, how do they know to attack us? Because their brains are so small. Oh wait, maybe they are. Maybe their brains are so small. Yeah, I don't know. Because like these dinosaurs like should be so dumb, because like their brains are so small, but yet sometimes in the movies like they act so smart. Like take Jurassic World for instance, like Chris Pratt when he like takes the trains the raptors. They just seem so smart, but yet they should be so dumb. They should just like eat them. But he trains them like dogs. Okay, why can't I? Oh. Wait, am I supposed to go to Paul? But this makes no sense. I feel like I'm supposed to go to Paul, but this... Why? Oh wait, am I supposed to go in this one? I'm like firing at the dinosaur. Maybe I'm supposed to fire at that thing. No, that's 2 out of 4. That didn't help. Am I supposed to fire at that thing? Maybe I'm supposed to go to Paul. Oh, maybe I'm supposed to... Oh, so what the heck is this? Oh, that didn't work. Ah, my goodness. This isn't working out. Thank you. Alright, apparently that crane might take him out. I just lost a stud. No, thank you. That's not good. I want to keep that stud for myself. Okay. Oh, hey, look at this. Look at what this is. Oops. Let me get all these studs, please, for my awesome stud collection. Dang. Alright, we can't defeat that. What is this going to do? What the heck? Oh no, wait. Oh gosh. I didn't not want that. Wowzers. Wowzers. Did you see that? That water actually like made me slip a couple of centimeters probably in the game, not like legit measurements. And made me get that mini kit. Yeah, that was not helpful. What am I trying to do? Okay, push it that way, which is the opposite direction I'm pushing it on my stupid dumb fly on my controller. pull it out. Alright, bring it on over. I'm trying to bring it over and it won't work, okay, so, I don't think he takes control of a crane in the movie, but, yeah, it is probably just for the game, right? Alright, now we have to go and, over to, Alan, I would assume. Mr. Allen, I presume. Dr. Alan Grant, please shoot that. Shoot it again. And shoot it the third time. And you get multiple fires in a row. Take down that Spinosaurus, and I want to seriously kill this one right now. Oh, hey, look, he's getting drilled to a crisp. Oh, okay. Bye-bye.
Dad!
And that's the end of him. Actually, no, it's not.
I'm not going anywhere.
Yeah, why would you think that? Alright, oh no, we still got the raptors looking for their eggs.
They want the eggs. Otherwise we'd be dead already.
Dance party. Dance off, bro. You and me.
No. Call for help. That's a helicopter.
Alright, story complete. Jurassic Park 3 free play is unlocked. We do get over, come on, oh man, a trophy earned going home, not even over a million, or 700,000 studs yet, but that's alright. And we do get 73% of True Survivor, pretty good though. And we got 2 mini kits. I'm so glad I got 2 though, because if I had gotten that 3rd one, man, that would have been a bummer. Now, 3 is not okay, I mean 3 is pretty okay, but I just like to get none. Alan Grant Lecture, that's awesome. Soldier, probably the least favorite character of the whole game. Eric Kirby, did we already have Eric Kirby? I don't know. Enrique Soto, I had no idea how to say that. I probably know, but I just couldn't read it in that amount of time. Hunter Trapper, the vehicle we got for today, but we did not ride a vehicle today. No Dino DNA, and level complete gold brick. So let's try and let's finish story. Alright, let's skip that. This is the first video that I finished story on. I kind of ended the video, but I wanted to see how it ended today. Because, yeah. I want to start Jurassic World kind of separately, so. Kept the remote. Oh, they packed the bag. There's Billy on his hand. He's still alive. Oh, there's the pterodactyls going away. Alrighty guys, so that is it for this part. Thanks for watching the entire Jurassic Park series. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to leave a like down below. We will be starting it tomorrow. The next episode of the game will include the okay, that's weird, I can spin the whole entire 5 levels for Jurassic World, so stay tuned for that. I will be posting those soon. And so that's Jurassic Park 1. I don't know where the things went here. But, yeah. So, thanks for watching. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to leave a like down below this video. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to leave a like down below. If you did enjoy the whole entire Jurassic Park 3 and the first 3 movies for Jurassic Park. Don't forget to leave a like down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Lego Space 2 Space 11. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Boba Fett Jedi Master, and don't forget to be awesome. I will see you guys here next time for Jurassic World level, the first level, and the other ones. Don't forget to leave a like, follow me, subscribe, and don't forget to be awesome. Bye, guys.